Ninga, please. The party ain't over.
Hey, dude, I'm home. You don't believe the garbage they assigned us today. Hey. Oh, hey, what's this? Oh, it looks like Bryce is gonna have a party. Huh. And it's today? At 6 o'clock? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Okay, Duke, watch out so I'm gone. Don't eat my socks or I'll punch you. Okay. Yeah, go to the party. Run. I'm coming, Bryce! After I change my clothes.
Hold up. Stop. Just stop. Can I get some resolution?
Step back. So make sure you get everybody, Charlie.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bryce. Happy birthday to you. Brandon. And Brandon. Brandon, you were singing high pitch.
Brandon! Go Bryce!
Are you recording? Oh.
This is really. Why is it so like? Is this your phone, Charlie? Brandon, why is your camera so like this?
You're supposed to turn it.
What?
You didn't stop recording. Oh man. We just got wasted. What?
Did you tackle it until it could be my iPod? What? Here, it'll be beautiful.
That was wrong.
I'm not shooting.
No, Megan, you gotta go like this. Hey.
Yeah, it is. We go backwards.
Ningas. Ha, beware.
Brandon came!
Okay, wait. I don't want to crush you.
Okay.
Ready for this?
Oh, we're spooning!
Wait, what? Whoa.
Yeah!
I'm gonna be forking and jackknifing into this pill. Okay, ready, set, go. Ouch. Oh.
Yeah!
Connor.
Birthday!
Woo! Try the front flip. Somebody try the front flip.
Yeah!
Yes.
Whoa, nice.
Ah, we're spinning.
Get off me, Connor. Sit down. No, Megan, I will do a better job of sitting down like this.
Oh, we're spooning. We're spooning.
No,
We're
I'm not
spooning.
gay,
Yeah.
Connor. Get away.
You don't have to be. Just two guys chilling, Brandon.
Whoa.
Seriously. Connor. Dear Lord. Please let me do one front flip.
Go, go, go.
No.
Just one spin.
So you ready, Will?
Erica, you gonna do a front flip for us? You're so good at jump roping, you can probably jump flip over there.
I'm gonna do a somersault.
Stop, Connor. We're not spooning. That's my butt. That's just spooning my butt.
Wait, I wanna get this on camera.
Let's go, Brandon. Wait, Brandon.
Nick, where are you?
I'll do the front flip.
I already caught you on videotape.
Hey, man.
Nick, is that you? My camera's
Guys, get out of here. What the?
Texting Allie.
Get out of here.
Texting Allie.
Go.
Texting Allie.
Go. Guys, get out.
I'm just a layout.
Guys, get out. Seriously. Guys, get out.
No, except while you're jumping.
Okay.
Wait, let's try this.
Ready?
Okay, we need to get higher up. Oops.
Did anyone see where he put the connector thingy?
Get off of that. I want to videotape.
Oh, yeah. What?
Hey, ready?
Us.
He took it. Well, I mean, I have no foot. I can't do that because my foot. Go. Wait. Don't do a front flip. I'm not doing a front flip. I'm gonna hit the wall. Ceiling. Oh gosh.
Success. Just kidding. Ha. Success. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 3.
You guys shouldn't scare Nick. He's on the other side.
Wait, just run roll jump and do the Superman.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, like on your stomach. Go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Causing a commotion. Wait, well, let me try. No walls, swimming.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean.
No walls,
Okay, I'm gonna do a
a
pole vault.
Causing a commotion.
Come on, yeah. Oh.
Wait, let's try a backflip.
Erica's awesome. No walls, while swimming in the ocean.
Haven't you done? Let's try a backflip. Who can do a backflip on?
Maddie, such your girl, Connor.
Brandon, let's try a backflip.
Swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion because they
Oh,
are.
he's not here. He doesn't.
No,
Josh, watch out. We're gonna try to do a backflip.
Oh, you. No, I cannot do backflip on the trampoline. I can do that. Do not, do not try to do that.
Watch, I've done it before. Okay, let's go. Hey,
His
Josh's little friend.
Little friend, is it because he's not white?
Stop.
I can't control it sometimes.
You read Rocket.
Oh, wow. He did not.
Give me that. What's it? This smashes.
No.
Ready, good.
Will.
No.
Connor's unprotected right now.
Yeah.
No, you need protection, Connor, when you do
No,
that.
I never use protection.
Don't do it standing up. Don't do it.
Who needs protection?
Charlie. You know I'm filming this. Nice. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's fight, Connor. Brandon Bruno versus Connor. Connor, come at me, bro. Perfect battle. Aww. Is that it? Oh well, that's pretty epic. Ready, set, go. Oh,
That sucks. I'll
fail.
stab it. The sword isn't sharp enough.
Whoa!
Brandon, get that! Brandon, get it!
Block. Reload. Switch weapons. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, my nutsack! Ow!
Yeah, that's right, run.
Alright, we're good.
Are you controlling Nick?
We actually hit my
Oh, my nutsack again! No, I'm recording it! Turn it back on!
I just killed you. Charlie, that means still means living.
No,
Daddy will be a living champion.
Right
Oh, so
I don't want to be suffocated.
Connor. Yeah, I know.
I'm pretty sure
Oh,
all
so
four
this
of
is
you
just
are-
acceptable to you?
Where did
You
Daddy
get to
go?
die than I do? Wow, I'm
Well,
kind
I
of
don't
offended.
even care. It's not
Charlie,
my business.
Charlie, do you watch porn?
Oh, time.
You guys can watch porn together.
Oh, we can circle jerk or something. Alright.
Ew.
Oh, I like the hardcore stuff. Oh, yeah. Like PTHC and all? Illegal. They talk about sexting and they talk
If you do
about.
not delete that video, I will kill you.
Yeah.
They were just like, go and have sex because maybe I'd die.
Detective Amelia.
Don't have sex because you will get pregnant and die.
And don't record videos of people talking about sex.
Everybody thinks
Hey, it's from a movie, Mean Girls. With Megan in it.
I gotta protect my balls because people keep hitting them with swords. Hey Nick, think fast.
I don't want to give you my password.
Nick, are you ready for your close-up?
I'm not gonna use your phone any other time. Wait, go away. Go away.
Fine. Ninga.
Oh, it's loading. Thank God.
Da 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 da. Okay, I'm rooting for you. Okay, just film it. Step back as much as you need to. Film us playing football.
Here, guys.
It's already recording. It's already recording.
Guys, let's do 2-on-2.
Sure.
Video. That was funny.
Will.
No, that was fake. It looked so fake.
Well, yeah, because it's fake.
Oh, move me up one time. Rehearse. Will.
that looked still. It looked a little less fake, but it was still fake.
You're messing us up.
Boom.
No. Let's go.
On your side.
Shut up.
Will and Connor are going
What?
battling to the death in foos balls. Ah. Who's winning? Connor, this can be a Party Dogs 2. Because remember at my party I made a video? Party Dogs 2.
She went to heaven. Assuming she does believe.
All dogs go to heaven. Everybody knows that.
Bye.
What?
You're leaving?
You're leaving? Oh, bye, Amelia. Thanks for getting wasted with us. Oh, you're leaving too.
Brandon, you just missed my epic goal.
Oh, I'm sorry, Connor. I'm sorry. He's gonna open the presents and mostly the car and the cars and the presents.
So Erica said, guess what? What? No, don't look at me like that. Ha ha, guess what? Chicken butt. Ha ha ha. Happy birthday. Ha ha. I thought you would like this. I hope I picked good books. Your friend Erica. Okay, let's try them out.
I wonder what they are.
I do too.
Probably not books. Well, I asked him like.
It's like a nerdy book.
Hey, look at that! The book thief. I have not read this, so I'm excited to read it.
More books.
Pretty sure Erica's told
I need books.
I get it. The book thief. The book thief.
Okay, well, Is it good so far, or it is?
Yeah, it's good.
And The Fault in Our Stars. Am I getting that?
Oh, I thought it was gonna be like mocking or catching fire.
No, I just need to borrow that one after you're done with it. This one, the book feed.
Okay. Oh, the book feed. Good. Okay, we can do that. Thank you very much, Erica.
I tried.
You deserve a hug.
And Brandon.
Huh? What'd you just call me?
Thank you for joining our plan.
You're welcome. I hope I didn't make a mistake.
You probably should.
What should I open first?
Doesn't matter. It's kind of
The blue is always a
Well,
better
this one
color.
has stuff on the front. Happy birthday, your very own birthday balloon. OMG, really? A birthday balloon?
you have to like do the in a row. You start like right here and we grade it.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then you use the excess.
I got 1 minute, 2 minutes so far.
I'm ancient now.
Nice. So, what is it? What do we got?
They should be called hair-y style because you like One Direction.
Ahem.
Really? Everybody's gone? Ooh, jealous Ningas. Ha ha ha!